Hello students, welcome to your science class. Today we will do two activities related to plants to show that plant has starch, and another activity we will do to show that sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. I request everybody to please open your book page number 59. I repeat, open your book page number 59. The first activity is to show that the green leaves produce starch. Now what we will do, that we will take a green leaf and we will boil it. We will boil it 2 times. First we will boil it in water and then we will boil it in alcohol. After we boil the leaf, we will wash it in cold water, and then what we will do, we will put it in a dish and put few drops of iodine, and we will observe the color of the leaf. Now before we observe the color of the leaf, children, I would like to explain you that if we put few drops of iodine on starch, the color of the starch changes into blue-black. And since green leaves produce starch during photosynthesis, so if starch is present in the leaf, its color will change to blue-black. Now we will observe what is the color of the leaf. So the leaf is bleached when we boil it first in water and then in alcohol. Okay, and then this boiled leaf is then washed with cold water, and when we put few drops of iodine on this leaf, here you see we have put few drops of iodine on this leaf, its color changes into blue-black. This shows that the leaf contained starch. This blue-black color of the leaf shows that the leaf contains starch. So its color has changed to blue-black. So hence our experiment proves that leaves produce starch. Now another activity we will do in this, we will show that sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. Now you know that plants need sunlight to produce for the photosynthesis to occur. So we have to prove this, that in presence of sunlight only photosynthesis occur, and when photosynthesis occurs, then plant will produce starch. Okay, starch is the output of photosynthesis that we have learned in our previous class. So what we will do, we will take a plant, and then what we will do, one of the leaves we will cover it with dark paper, okay, paper strip, black paper strip, and we will keep it in sunlight for 24 hours. Okay, and then what we will do, we will pluck 2 leaves from the same plant. One the leaf that was not covered, green leaf, okay, and another we will take the covered leaf that we had covered with black paper that could not perform the photosynthesis. Now what to do? Now the same experiment that we had done earlier, we will repeat it. Okay, we will repeat the same experiment and with both the leaves. And then what we see, that the leaf that was covered with black pepper doesn't show the presence of starch. Okay, means in the absence, here in page number 60, it shows that the leaf, the part of the leaf which was covered with black paper, does not show the blue black color in presence of iodine, because it did not have starch, because it could not perform photosynthesis, because it was covered with this black paper, and so sunlight could not reach it. So this experiment proves that sunlight is needed for the process of photosynthesis. See here, we'll discuss again. See here, step by step is given very clearly in the book, that we take a healthy plant and keep it away from sunlight for about 24 hours. Okay, for 24 hours, and then we will cover one leaf we have covered with black paper, and then we'll put back the plant in sunlight, and then we will pluck 2 leaves from the same plant, and both we will boil, once in plain water and then once in alcoholic water or in alcohol. And then what we will do, wash the leaves with cold water, and then again we will put iodine solution in both the leaves. And then what is our result? We find that the leaf which was covered with paper does not turn blue black on putting iodine, because absence of starch is not present there, and the leaf which was in sunlight had starch, and that showed it turned into blue black color on putting the drops of iodine. Okay, so this shows the experiment. It's proved that light is needed for the process of photosynthesis to happen, and starch is formed only when sunlight is received by the plant. In absence of sunlight, plant will not be able to produce starch, or photosynthesis will not take place. So I end my video here, children. Thank you.